Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna draw face emotions. Let's get started.
Today's tutorial is all about drawing different facial expressions.
Yeah.
We're not going to really go into depth about face proportions or really how to make a realistic face. We're just going to talk about the key features on a face that create emotion. What is one of the most important parts of your face that helps us express what you're feeling?
The eyebrows and eyes.
The eyebrows, for sure. What other part of the face can be a really strong indicator of what you're feeling?
Your mouth.
Your mouth, yes. So we're really going to focus on the eyebrow shape and on the mouth shape to create emotions in a face. And then as an extra added bonus, if you and your kiddo want to get some practice writing, we're also going to write out the words for the emotions. So we're just going to do 3 today. We're going to do mad,
sad, and glad.
yeah, so we're going to do 3 different completely opposite emotions. To start out, I'm going to separate your paper into 3 separate categories. So we'll just draw a light line kind of separating it into 3 parts. And I'll do the same thing on mine. We just have this writing paper that we got on Amazon, and it helps practice writing words. Okay, so now we've got our 3 categories. Which one should we start with?
Mad.
Mad? Okay, that'll be super fun. So let's just draw an oval for a head shape.
Yeah, each head shape needs an oval.
So fill that space with a head. And about halfway in the middle of your head, add some ears. Okay, now this is something that's important with proportions on a person's face. The eyes are generally about halfway down on the head. So if you draw a very light line in the very middle of your head, that's where the eyes are going to go. And since we're talking about emotions and the importance of the eyes in expressing something, the eye placement is important. So we're doing mad eyes first, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start by drawing an almond shape for the eyes. So it's kind of like 2 skinny half circles, one on top of the other. We're making cartoon faces here, so it's okay if they're not perfect. So just do an upside down half circle, like that.
Okay, I'll try again.
And then you just make another half circle underneath it, and that makes this almond shape for the eyes. Do the top part too. Yeah, if you can just do circles for the eyes too, if that's easier. Now, in order to make mad eyebrows, we're going to make them start at the top by the ear and point down to the corner of the eye, like this. So like, start at the top of the ear and point those eyebrows down. And suddenly you've got an angry emotion, right?
Yep.
And then inside of the eyes, you'll have the pupil. So let's just color in a circle black to make the pupil of the eye. Which way does your mouth go when you're mad? Can you show the camera?
Down.
So make the mad face for the camera. Ooh, that's a good one. So the mad mouth kind of goes down. And so we're going to actually do the nose first just so we know where to put the mouth. Let's just do a little upside down, kind of a wide U for the nose.
And don't forget to
And
add
now for the
nostrils.
mad mouth. I'm going to make mine kind of sideways, like almost a crooked frown. Wow, that really expresses an emotion, doesn't it? Do you think you pulled it off? Does it look mad?
Yeah.
Yes, it does. Okay, so now let's write out the word mad. So we're going to do little m, little a. And how do you sound this out?
M-A-D.
M-A-D. Right? So we go
Dog.
M-A-D. Mad. Very good. All right, what's the next emotion we're going to draw?
Sad.
Sad. Let's make this one a little girl. How about? This one looks like a bald boy. Maybe we can add some hair. That way he's not bald. And let's make this one a little girl. And so to do that, we'll start with our oval again for her face.
I want to do a little girl.
And draw the ears again. And for her hair, to make it look like a girl, I'm just going to do this swooping hair that's just coming across her forehead like that.
That doesn't really look like a girl. It still looks like a little bit of a boy. But
And add a ponytail.
Yeah.
Does that help? So hair across the top and a ponytail, just like yours today, side ponytail. Now, which way do your eyebrows go when you're feeling sad?
The opposite way of mad.
You're right. They kind of point up towards your forehead instead of down toward your eyes. So let's begin by drawing the eyes on again. And we're going to make these eyes kind of a little more droopy. She's just really, really sad. But let's start with the eyes instead of the eyebrows. That way we know where to put the eyebrows. It gives us a reference point. So make your circles or your oval shapes for the eyes first. And remember, it's in the middle of the head. And then start kind of towards the middle of the ear and point the eyebrows up to the middle of the head. You go in the opposite direction. Like you said, they're going the opposite direction as when you're angry. You can take those eyebrows and just turn them upside down, right? And then you can draw the pupil in the middle. I'm going to have her kind of looking sideways like she's unsure. And to make it look more like a girl, you can add eyelashes. And which way does the mouth go when you're feeling sad?
Down.
Yeah, it's kind of the same way as mad, isn't it? The biggest difference is the mouth, or the biggest difference is the eyebrows. So we could make the mouth going the same way, down.
I'm adding little nostrils to make it.
Oh, yes. So let's write out our word, sad. How do we spell sad?
S-A-D.
Right. S-A-D. Great job. Look at those strong emotions you just expressed with some eyebrows and a mouth. Our last emotion is
Glad.
glad. So once again, we're drawing an oval shape for the head. Add some ears. Draw some eyes. And you can make these a little bigger because sometimes when you're glad, you open your eyes wider.
Like you're excited.
Yeah. So I'm going to make mine a little bigger. And which way do the eyebrows go when you're happy? Can you make a happy face at the camera? They go up. They don't tilt up like sad eyebrows. They don't tilt down like angry eyebrows, but they're just up. Like two curved shapes imitating the shape of the eyes.
like you're going, what?
Yes. And what shape does the mouth make when you're glad?
A smile.
A smile, definitely. So we'll draw the nose and then a U shape for the smile.
I'm gonna add some hair.
And you can add these little curves in the corner of the mouth to show the cheeks kind of pressing up in the smile. You could make the mouth a little open. This one looks like a baby, the one I drew. Yours looks like a little boy. That's great.
It is a little boy.
And so those are 3 different cartoon emotions that we just created. That was so much fun. Let's draw out our last word. How do we spell the word glad?
G-L-A-D.
Yay, let's write it out. G-L-A-D. Do those words rhyme?
Sad, mad, and glad do.
They do rhyme.
You could color these any way you want.
Yay, great job on your emotions. Those turned out so good.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and hit notifications so you don't miss any new video. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.